Evening lads, so tonight, it has been a little while since I did a video, about a month, but tonight we've got Tom coming back down with the NSX to fit that exhaust. Now we've got some pipe. If you didn't watch the last one, I'll stick it up here somewhere and you can check out why we couldn't fit it last time. So let's wait for Tom to get here and throw the exhaust on. Is he here? So we're just going to whip this off when Tom stops complaining about it being tight.
It's really tight.
And hot. And
yeah, it's hot.
We'll see where we're at with the other exhaust. So last time we did this, we chopped a piece of pipe off here with a flange on and the flange off that bit. Well, so these bits were getting in the way. So what I'm going to do now is we'll chop these off up to the hangers to see if it'll hang on the car in the right place, and then we can just remake these so it don't touch the bodywork. At least that's the plan. Piece of shit. No rush, Tom. Right then, quick update. So it didn't fit with the original hanger pieces on because it just hit the bumper. So we've chopped them off. We have also chopped the flanges off the decats. So we're full send now, we can't put the other one back on. So you get the flanges on that end. And then we're going to have to make up new pipes to come out the back of the bumper and also new hangers. And Tom has still not been to get tea. Right, so I forced Tom to go for KFC because I'm fucking starving. I'm going to weld this up while he's gone. And then when he gets back, we can work out where this second flange sits. And we can get bolted on and shoot the pipes out the back. Tea break! Fucking beans. Let me get some beans, mate. Right, so at the minute, if you can see, we've got the flanges on, so the exhaust's bolted up, and we've got both hangers on. This side's just tacked on up there, and we're now got to make the end pieces and the tailpipes so it comes out there. But it's pretty late now, about 12 o'clock at night, so we're going to call it a day and we'll catch you tomorrow. So guys, it's the next day. It is dark again because we've just done a cat on a Subaru. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that. So all we've got to do is the tips on this, and then we can get it fired up and see what it sounds like.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
So it is now 2 in the morning. Tom's loving life. And we're just checking at the tips about the same. and then we'll get them welded up at that. It is now 3 AM. I'm ball bagged, but it's finally in, if you can see, it's pitch black. So it's not bang on either side, but whoever made it before has not made these pipes equal, so it's pretty tricky. But we have decided that we're going to run this for now, or Tom's going to run this for now, and then we're going to build a new one eventually, and be less ghetto than this. But it's 3 AM, everyone's asleep, so let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. He's ready. It don't sound like we've got an exhaust on. Look at that face! So that's going to be it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. If you got any suggestions on what we should do with the exhaust, make sure you drop them in the comments, and we'll peer pressure Tom into buying some gear pretty quick, and we'll get another one on it. Cheers!